I became interested in mechanical engineering in my first year of sixth form when I was invited to take part in the Robot Challenge competition. This really sparked an interest in beyond physics and chemistry, where I was solely doing very theoretical stuff and applying it to the real world instead. One of the things that was really highlighted to me as I was touring the university was the level of research that was carried out here and the large number of industrial partners, which was something I saw as being important to my future career, to have integration as I went along. A week in my life here at the University of Sheffield, majority is spent within the Diamond. This will include going to lectures, being in labs, doing my own research within using some of the computer labs that we have here in the university, and then also being part of other clubs. The club that I was part of, the society as it were, was the Sheffield Engineering Leadership Academy, SELA, which I was a member of for my second and third year. This would involve me doing an extra couple of hours a week of work towards an overall project we had been set by the SELA board. Really did enjoy SELA. It was one of the major parts of my second and third year. It was instrumental in me getting my year in industry, and it gave me something on my CV that set me apart. And so the highlight of my studies so far has been my final year project, which has been looking into additive manufacture of bioceramics. Over the last year, I have set my own experimentation, done all my own research with guidance from supervisors within the university who have taken me beyond where I would expect it to go. I have used a wide variety of techniques that I've learned throughout my time, especially relating to the critical thinking that is established and developed within the first and second years, so that I can effectively choose where I'm going to go and what I believe to be the right course to bring this to the final thesis. The reason that I chose a course with a year in industry is that, again, it was a way of setting myself apart from the rest of the pack. A year in industry gives you valuable insight into the workings of a business that you wouldn't normally get within the classroom or within a lecture hall. It gave me the opportunity to design my own products, market them, and then help get them through to production, which is something that when I went to interview was invaluable, because it gives you a real world capability beyond what you do in university. The best thing about being an engineering student is the wide variety of opportunities that you have. I would definitely say that you have to make the most of what is given at this university. The wide variety of societies that fits everybody's particular needs. For me, that was SELA, because of my interest in going into the managerial side of things. But for others, there is, of course, Formula Student, Human-Powered Flight, Bionics. The number of societies that we have here is truly staggering, and it gives you every opportunity to go where you want to go with your studies. On top of that, the wide array of coursework that is given to us that solve real-world problems that are being faced currently by industry or other people. This gives you something that you may not get at other universities, and it also allows you to see the real-world impact of what you're doing.